Hi there guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kavnikar and today I am going to do Rakhi makeup tutorial for you all. So let's get started. First let's start with primer because I have already prepped my skin. Now I am using my LA Girl Pro Concealer. I am going to apply my concealer over this so that it will mix with them. Okay, so I am using this Maybelline ka concealer, which is, and it's already empty, 25 medium shade. Okay, so today I'm going to use Sugar Ka foundation. This much. A brush also. So we can use it both the way. It's the time to set our base. Now I'll be using Maybelline ka compact. Now we are going to put some blush from the Mars palette. Okay, I think I should go for a light one. So I'll go for this. Okay, so now I'm going to bronze my face with the same palette and I'm going to use this bronze. I'm going to apply some highlighter palette. I'm going to shade. There's not much to do. Now I'm going to do my eyes. The palette. Don't judge because I have used so many times. To use Demure, this shade. It's been way too long. If I could lay down beside you, I would. When nothing really matters, that's all I'm just taking this that you were saving, that I will see you soon. If I could lay down beside you, I would. I'm taking this bubbly shade, bubbly glitter shade. Apply with my fingers only. Okay, so I'll do this also. Every night, love to hear your voice. Not sleeping well. And I'm going to blend all of this. You've been gone for way too long now. And now we are going to apply eyeliner. Where is my eyeliner? I'm going to use sketch eyeliner for the very first time. And let's see how it will work. If I can lay down beside you, I would. Even if you're gone, I won't. I think this also look good. It's not that much bad. Time to curl my lashes. Even if you're gone, I will remember. You're all I know, what I need, and that ain't changing. I'm going to apply some shimmery shade, this white.
That's all I wanna do. I hope that you are safe and
First, I'll use my lip color.
If I can lay down beside you,
And now it's the last step. Last step is to apply my lipstick. Swiss Beauty Tea, my all-time favorite lipstick. Bare Shade.
that I will see you soon. If I can lay down beside you, I would.
And over that, I'm going to apply many. I love applying glosses. The last step. Like after applying your mist, this makeup fixer, to use your blender to fix your makeup for your whole day. To get ready, so I'm coming in a bit. Yeah, so guys, I'm all ready with my Zulkas, and I have done a ponytail because it's so hot outside. It's humid climate right nowadays. Hope you like this video, and if you guys like this video, do subscribe, do like, comment, and share with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, thank you.